So the task is called active, and it's actually quite simple, straightforward. We have to write a program where it takes in an IP address together with a port, and then it has to print out whether or not that port is open. And we can also do port ranges. So here in the example, we are doing from 80 to 83, and it prints out all the 4 different ports, whether or not they are open. That's it. And here we have the audit. The first questions, these are the ones that are not really important. But what is important is down below in here, where there's 2 tests. And the first test says that we have to scan port 80 on the local host for the TCP. So this is the Python code that I have written for this. It is the main.py, and it's really the worst code that I feel like I have ever written, but it works, so there's no need to optimize it any further. Let's just run it and let's see what happens. So we do -t for the TCP and write in the local host with the -p for port and port 80. And the program says that port 80 is closed, as it should be, because there's no services running at port 80 as for now. Now the second test says it tells us to run a local server using UDP protocol with a port 8080, and then we have to scan for it. Now what I did for this is that I copy-pasted quite a lot of code from the internet, because I was too lazy to figure out how to write a UDP server myself. So let's run this script. So UDP server.py, and it says UDP server is up and listening. Let's open. We can open another terminal on the right side, and here we can just run the same Python script. Now -u to indicate that we are scanning for the UDP and the localhost IP address with a port 8080. And it says that port 8080 is open. And then we can try it a few more times. It just keeps saying that it's open. And now when we do close, we close the server, and then we try scanning the same port again. Now it says that port 8080 is closed because there's no service running at that port anymore. And that's really all about it. We can also do --help with that amazing program. So let's do --help, and then it prints out all the help related to this program, what the different flags do, and how you can use this in general. So that was the audit video for the active task. Thank you for watching this amazing audit video, and I will see you in the next audit video. Bye bye.